Time to get your home ready for the fall season using my quick fall home maintenance checklist. Number 1, seal the leaks. Seal any leaks around the windows, doors with caulk or weather stripping. Number 2, schedule heating equipment inspections. Call an HVAC professional to give your furnace an annual cleaning and tune-up. Number 3, test your generator. If you have an emergency generator, take it for a test run and make sure you have extra fuel stored away. Number 4, inspect your home's exterior. A damaged exterior can lead to water and pests. Check the siding for cracks, curling, dents, looseness, bowing, and decay. Number 5, clean the gutters. Clear out dirt and other debris from your gutters and then spray them clean. Check for leaks and rust. Make sure your downspouts are directed away from the home and it sits at least 6 feet from the foundation. Number 6, check your roof. Damage to your roof can put your home at risk for leaks. Inspect it or have it inspected for missing, damaged, curled, or loose shingles. Number 7, inspect your walkways. Damaged driveways, sidewalks, and steps worsen when exposed to the freezing temperatures and pose a hazard in icy conditions. Hey, if you find value in these checklists, and I've got more to follow, please subscribe to my channel and click that like button below. It shows me that I'm providing you the information that you need for your home. Buying or selling your home is an important transaction and investment in your life. We can also make it fun. So back to our list. Number 8, prevent frozen pipes. Adding insulation to your pipes in unheated areas can prevent frozen or burst pipes later. Number 9, check your foundation drainage. The ground around your foundation should slope away from the foundation and down towards the grass or your driveway. Number 10, get your lawn and garden ready. Trim the shrubbery and perennials as recommended. Rake up the leaves and either compost or use them as mulch. I prefer the mulch myself. I'm sure you have other tips which would help our listeners with their fall maintenance checklist. Enter your ideas and your checklist in the comments below and share it with everybody. I'm Lana Burnley, and I am your heartfelt realtor with Solid Rock Realty and Smart Living Real Estate Ottawa.